So you're using the incredible power of AWS Bedrock, but are you also getting a little bit of a shock when you see that monthly bill? Well, what if I told you there's a simple tool that can slash those costs? And the best part? You can set it up in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee.
I mean, let's be real for a second. You're building amazing things with powerful models like Claude, Llama, and Titan. But that kind of innovation, it isn't cheap. Every single API call is priced by the token, and those costs can just balloon out of control, turning your awesome project into a serious budget headache. Does this sound familiar? You push a new feature, people love it, usage spikes, and then suddenly your AWS bill has an extra comma in it that you definitely weren't expecting. And you're just left there scratching your head, wondering where it's all going and how on earth you can get it under control without crippling your app's performance.
And that's really the heart of it, isn't it? You need the best models to get the best results for your users. But every call you make just adds to that ever-growing bill. It feels like you're stuck choosing between innovation and your budget. But what if that was a false choice?
All right, enough about the problem. Let's talk about the solution. I want you to meet FluxAI. Think of it as an open source, intelligent copilot for your AI spending, designed specifically to solve this exact problem.
So what on earth is a drop-in optimization layer? Okay, picture this. Think of it like a smart filter. All the requests from your app that are headed to AWS Bedrock, they first pass through FluxAI, and FluxAI automatically and intelligently finds ways to save you money before the request even gets to Amazon servers. It's that simple. So how does it pull this off? Well, it's packed with a bunch of killer features. It acts as a full-on API gateway, it gives you real-time cost tracking, and it uses two really clever technologies we're about to get into: semantic caching and smart routing. And the best part? It's all visualized for you on a super clean analytics dashboard, so you can literally watch the savings stack up.
Okay, so how does it actually do it? I promise this isn't some kind of magic trick. It's just really, really clever engineering that's designed to stop you from spending money you don't need to. Let's break down exactly how it works.
This is the number you need to remember: 30 to 50%. That's the typical cost reduction we're talking about. I want you to just think about your last Bedrock bill for a second. Now, what would it feel like to chop that by almost half? That's the kind of potential we're unlocking here. So the savings really come from two main strategies. First up is semantic caching. Now, this is cool. Instead of just looking for exact match questions, it uses vector embeddings to understand the meaning, the intent of a query. If a new question comes in that's pretty similar to one you've already answered, boom, FlexAI just serves up the cached response, and you completely avoid another expensive API call. And second, there's smart routing. Think of this like an intelligent traffic cop for your API requests. It automatically sends the simple questions to cheaper, faster models and saves the big, expensive models only for the really tough tasks that actually need them.
Let's put some real numbers to this so you can see what I mean. Let's say you're making 100,000 requests a month. Going straight to Bedrock, that might cost you around $1,650. But with FluxAI in the middle, achieving just a 40% cache hit rate, that cost plummets to under $1,000. That's almost $8,000 a year in savings from one tool.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. This sounds amazing, but it's probably a total nightmare to set up, right? And that, my friend, is the absolute best part. It's not. You can be up, running, and actually seeing savings in less than 5 minutes. Seriously. The whole installation is literally just 5 simple commands you run in your terminal. You just clone the GitHub repo, pip install the requirements, copy the example environment file, and pop in your AWS keys, start the services with Docker, and then run the app. That's it. It is that easy. No complicated setup, no long integration process. And the second you do that, you get the payoff. You get your reward, instant visibility. You're not just hoping you're saving money in the background somewhere. Nope, you get a complete dashboard to see exactly how, where, and when those savings are happening. Once it's running, all you do is open up your web browser and go to localhost on port 8080. And there it is, your new command center for a fully optimized AI stack. So what are you going to see in there? Everything you need. You'll get real-time cost tracking so you can watch your spending drop. You'll see performance metrics for all your models, and most importantly, you'll see your cache hit rate. This is the magic number that shows you exactly how much work and how much money FlexAI is saving you. So when you boil it all down, FluxAI isn't just one single feature. It's a whole platform. It cleverly combines all these smart strategies, the caching, the routing, the analytics, to deliver one simple but incredibly powerful result:
Huge, immediate savings on your LLM bills. So I guess the only question left is, with an extra 30, 40, or even 50% back in your pocket every single month, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to experiment with those more powerful models you've had your eye on? Maybe hire another developer? Or just, enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a cloud bill that's finally under control? The choice is yours.